What it is you're going to be protecting an elder, somebody who's over the age of 65. It is, or somebody who is a dependent adult. Isolation is one of the only physical abuse that's listed in the statute. Why? Because it works. Prevented from talking with anyone else, it's going to work. They're going to disinherit everybody. They're going to start parroting. Isolation works, and that's what I need you to see the most.
Suddenly they monitor communication, or every time they bring them into your office, they insist on sitting with them in that room. They don't allow you to have interaction with these people. That's just one form of easy to view isolation, which sometimes gets overlooked.
It's an emergency order. The order is we can go in the morning, and 20 minutes later we can come out with an order. The problem is getting the sheriff to serve it. You know, that's sometimes half the battle. So what happens is you go in, you get it, and then the hearing's going to be set within 21 days, which is an actual. So we get an emergency order without notice. We serve it, we get whatever relief it is. Maybe it's a move-out order because we have a failure to launch child that's doing something wrong with mom, those kind of things. And then we have to go in for a main hearing.
An elder abuse restraining order is not something that controls the totality of the potential problems that might arise. So when we're talking about things like financial elder abuse, usually, oftentimes for these things to occur, money already has to be taken. So if you look here, this is not an order that's going to get the money back or get property that's already gone. This will not rewrite a deed or a trust or a will. This will not appoint someone to manage the elder's affairs. This will not decide an inheritance or a trust contest. Those are all different things. Those are all specific actions, specific filings, specific pleadings that we do in litigation.
The estate planner's in the room, the financial planner's in the room. You guys are the first line of defense when it comes to getting that proper plan.